Are you a student struggling with time management? Try these game changers. Firstly, use a planner or digital apps. You can use apps like Notion that helps you to organize your tasks, deadlines, and set reminders. Next, use Pomodoro technique. It's a technique where you work for 25 minutes, then take 5 minutes break. Repeat it 4 times, then take a longer break for 15 to 30 minutes break. Third, use time blocking. It divides your day into blocks, dedicating tasks. For example, 10 a.m. have breakfast, then lunch, etc., etc. Lastly, set SMART goals. S, specific. M, measurable. A, achievable. R, realistic. T, time-bound. Using these techniques will help you manage your time and boost productivity. Follow us for more student hacks.